What is up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video, guys. And in today's videos, I am heading out to my first official car meet. I am a student at Lincoln Tech, and this meet is basically organized by the school, but anybody can attend. It's just going to be guys from my school that are going to this meet. So I'm just excited. I've never been to any car meet and greet, so this is my first time going to one, and I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited to be a part of this. So right now I'm going to fill up, put some gas in the car, put some air in my tires, and be on my way. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I get there. You made it.
It was good.
Check out this M3. This is nasty. Damn. Next to my 335i. Hey, my car looks nice. I don't care. Yo, look at that Mercedes over there. I'm about to go check that out. Oh, sorry. Just like that, guys, I am back home, man. I had a lot of fun. Like I said, this was like my official card meet, and I captured a few cars. I got a few. I hope the videos that I captured was enough, because like I said, it was my first official card meet, and I didn't want to invade other people's space and get too close to their cars. But most people that I approached, most of the cars that I approached, the owners, they were very cool. you know, again, it is a car meet, and it is expected of people to record the cars that we see there. So it was cool. Kind of a short video because I wasn't there for that long. So yeah, guys, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. I need the support. Leave a comment, like, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.